Lene Skole is Executive Vice President and CFO at Coloplast. Welcome to the Berenberg European Conference here at Penny Hill Park. Let's go back to 2012 to start with, and your decision to focus on sales growth. What was the thinking behind that, and how is it going?
Well, the thinking behind it really is that in Coloplast we focus very much on what's the best way of creating shareholder value. And over the past 5 years, it's been quite clear to us that increasing our profitability was the best way. We actually managed then to increase profitability from 12% to 32%. And then in 2012, it was equally clear to us that in order to increase shareholder value even further, the best option was to invest in growth and get our growth rates up. So that's the background. And last year was actually then the first year where we had a full year with this strategy, and it's playing out quite well. We invested 160 million Danish kroner in growth initiatives, and we managed to take our growth up from around 6% to now 7%. So it's working out quite well.
Now you know I'm going to ask about EBIT margin now. What's the impact on that?
Well, actually we believe that even with a growth strategy where we invest in growth, there is still room for the EBIT margin to go upwards. Not quite as steeply as you've seen, but there is still room for it to increase. And over the next couple of years, we would expect that increase to be in the range of 0.5% to 1% per year.
What about investor cash returns? You generate a very stable and strong free cash flow.
Well, by now we don't have any debt anymore, so we have a debt-free company. And that also means that we have committed to our shareholders that we're going to pay out all excess cash to our shareholders.
Well, I'll be delighted to hear that, I'm sure. You've managed to turn around the wound care business as well. Is that now stable?
Well, I don't know if I could say it's stable, but I think it's sustainable. I think the turnaround is sustainable because what we're seeing is that with the investments we've made in the business, we can now see that it's those investments that are creating the growth that we're seeing, and that's why I believe it's now a sustainable growth.
Lene Skole, thanks for joining us here at Penny Hill Park.
Thank you.